Meghalaya is one of the first states which is using the traditional bodies to fight against drugs. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Monday claimed that the success rate of Meghalaya in tackling drug menace is higher than the national average. Under the DREAM mission, Lyngdoh released Rs 15.65 lakh as second installment as funding to the Maulai Town Dorbar for supporting its anti-drug campaign. He informed that the Maulai Town Dorbar is the first traditional institution to come forward and openly offered its support to the government by providing a space for setting up the rehabilitation centre. Lyngdoh said that there is need to further strengthen the performance of the Anti-Narcotic Task Force (ANTF) at the main entry point to the Khasi Jaintia Hills sector is the East Jaintia Hills district.
Also released the second installment of funding from the government of Meghalaya amounting to Rs 15,65,285 rupees, which is over and above the first installment of Rs 6 lakhs that was released in the month of November last year. But in terms of accommodating inmates who have fallen prey to drug addiction, Maulai Town Dorbar is the first. This is something which goes beyond one single department of the government, which is why we have conceived the DREAM mission, which also involves Home Police and Health departments. We need to further strengthen the performance of the ANTF, tone up its efficacy, and also increase its manpower.
The report for the ongoing feasibility